You know everybody been waiting on that.
Aloha! So how do we solve this? This algebraic equation is just telling us that there is a number which is represented by x. That number is added to 10 to give 15. So what is that number that when we add it to 10, it will give us 15? Obviously it's 5, right? Good. But to show you the process of solving an algebraic equation, the first thing we want to do here is to collect like terms. Family member travels the sign of equality to meet its family member. So when plus 10 leaves the sign of equality, travels the sign of equality, x is going to be left on the left hand side of the equation, and then this will now be x equals 15 is waiting 15. Then when plus 10 travels, it becomes minus 10. Okay, now this is x equals 15 minus 10 will give me 5. As simple as ABC. Okay, just follow the rules and you're there. Okay, example 2 says minus 5y equals 20. Minus 5 times a number gives me 20. So when we have an algebraic equation like this, we're looking for y. So y wants to be alone. Something is attached to y. Something is disturbing y. And that thing disturbing y is minus 5. So we're going to divide both sides of this equation by that thing that is disturbing y. And that thing is called the coefficient. The coefficient of the unknown. So divided by minus 5. Now, when you do this, minus cancels minus, 5 cancels 5. Now y is free. Y is what we're looking for. Now y is free equals, now here we have 20 divided by 5. But before then, we have a sign. You know we have a sign in front of 20. If nothing is written in front of 20, it is a plus. Okay? So this is plus divided by minus. Just like in multiplication of signs, we said plus times minus will give minus, isn't it? So the same thing occurs. The same thing is applied to this. So here, this is going to be plus divided by minus will give me minus, and then 20 divided by 5 will give me 4. And so that is my answer. Y equals minus 4. If you want to check, if we put this minus 4 back into this equation, are we going to get a positive 20? Let's check it out. So this is minus 5. If I put the answer here, minus 4, in the place of y, back in there, will I get 20? Let's find out. Minus times minus will give me plus. Okay, now 5 times 4 will give me 20. So that is correct. So let's check example 3 as we keep on learning. Wow, this is a beautiful one. This is a combination of the first two examples that we just took. So the first thing we want to do is we want to collect like terms. So collecting these like terms, somebody is going to travel to meet its family member. That's the numbers. So this is minus 6. We want to separate this. Minus 6 goes to the other side. Then please remember, the reason why I'm even circling this is for you to take note of the sign. The sign changes. So this is 2p is left on the left hand side equals, now 10 is waiting for his family member to come, and then when minus 6 gets to the other side, it becomes plus 6. Now this is 2p equals 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 will give me 16. And then, like example 2 that we took, we're going to divide both sides by 2 because p is what we're looking for. P wants to be alone. Okay, so my answer would be p equals 16 divided by 2 will give me 8. So my answer is 8. It's so easy, isn't it? This is a different set. It looks different from the first 3 examples that we took. So when we have an equation like this, we're going to do what we call cross multiplication. We're going to cross multiply. So the cross multiplication means the denominator here multiplies the numerator at the other side, at the diagonal side, and then the same thing, this will multiply this. So here, 7 times x will give me 7x equals 3 times 6 will give me 18. Beautiful. So again, we've taken something like this before. 7 times a number gives me 18. We divide both sides by 7, and then we see what happens. Why did we divide both sides by 7? So that x will be alone. Okay? So that the coefficient of x will be 1, actually. So now this is x equals, how many 7s will I see in 18? I'm going to see 2 7s in 18. Okay? So this will give me 14. 14 from 18 will give me what? 4. And so that is my answer. How do you check if you're right or you're wrong? You change this back to an improper fraction, and then you find out that you get the same 18 over 7. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Keep on practicing. And then the next one we'll take about algebraic equation would be the word problems. We'll break it down as simple as possible. Okay?